Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can set up the communication between Spandan SCADA and Modbus TCP device. So we have used Spandan SCADA to communicate with Modbus TCP simulator device, which is Modbus slave software. Okay, and we have successfully communicated over Spandan SCADA with Modbus TCP IP device. Now in this video what we are going to do is we are going to communicate Spandan SCADA with Modbus serial device, or you can say the Modbus RS485 device. Okay, so let's see how you can do that. So here is our Modbus slave software. Okay, right now you can see my Modbus slave software is running, and here you can see it is running on the COM1 with a 9600 baud rate, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. So it's serial communication, correct? If I disconnect and if I connect it again, then you can see the COM1 is connected to COM2 internally. So whatever data this Modbus slave software is providing on the COM1, that will be available on the COM2. So we can use Spandan SCADA to connect with the COM2. So basically it will connect with the Modbus slave software, which is acting as a Modbus serial device. Okay, and here you can see the baud rate 9600, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1. And that's it. Our Modbus serial device is up and running. Now I'm going to the Spandan SCADA, and here you can see Modbus. Okay, so we want to add the Modbus serial device. So what we can do is we can click on this plus icon to add our Modbus device. So it's our Modbus RS485 device. Okay, and we will press OK here, and here you can see it's added. Now we have to add our register, okay, or we can say our tag. So I'm going to add my tag 1, tag 1, which is my holding register 0. So I'm going to select holding register here, okay, and I'm going to select register address 0. The data type is integer 16, and I'm going to add it. So it's added. Now the port configuration. So we are going to communicate with Modbus serial device, not Modbus TCP device. So here we have to change it to Modbus 485 to communicate with Modbus serial device or RS485 device or Modbus RTU. And here I'm going to change it to COM2. Okay, and the baud rate is 9600, data bits 8, parity none, and the stop bit 1, and the scan interval is 1000 milliseconds. So it will scan our data at every second. Okay, so it's very fast. So you have to set it, and then after you have to save your port configuration. And if you want to add another tag, suppose tag 2, which is our holding register 1, okay, so I'm going to increase it and I'm going to add it. And for the tag 3, what we can do is register address 2, and we can edit and we can save our configuration. Now we will refresh our device, and then we will go to the live view. Here it will take few seconds to communicate with our Modbus serial device, and if it is not communicating, okay, then what you can do is you can close this Spandan SCADA, you can open it again, you can provide the credential here, you can close another windows which is not required. Okay, and here you can select your device and you can go to the live view. Here you can see we are getting the values, and if I open Modbus slave software parallelly, then you can see the value is matching. Okay, I can auto increment the second holding register, and here you can see the value is updating at every second. Okay, also we can update our third holding register, and also we can update our first holding register. Okay, so this is how you can communicate your Spandan SCADA with Modbus serial device, or you can say Modbus RS485 device. All you have to do is you have to navigate to the device section first. You have to click on the Modbus. You have to click on this plus icon to add the device. Once you add the device, okay, you will double click here to open the configuration page. Let me adjust this one. Okay, so once you navigate to the configuration page, you can add your holding register, or you can say your input register, coil, or discrete input here. From this option, you have to provide your tag name, you have to provide your slave ID, register address, everything. Right now the slave ID is 1. You can see here ID is 1, so that's why the slave ID is 1 for every tag. And we are going to communicate with Modbus serial device. So here we have to choose in the type Modbus 485. Here we have to select the COM port. we have to select the baud rate, data bit parity, and the stop bit, and we have to select the scan interval. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can configure your Modbus serial device communication with Spandan SCADA. And once you configure it, and if it is not able to view the live value, then what you can do is you can close this Spandan SCADA configuration and you can reopen it. It will work. So I hope this thing is clear, that how you can use Spandan SCADA to communicate with Modbus RS485 device, or you can say Modbus serial device. And if you want to download this project backup, then you can visit our website, and here you can see you can download this project backup, okay, to communicate Spandan SCADA with Modbus RS485 device. So you can directly use that backup into your project. So I hope this thing is clear, and if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, LinkedIn, or also you can comment on this video. Also you can send me a mail. So we will meet you in the next video, and in the next video we will see MQTT subscriber. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.